Are you done, Talia? I think so, yeah. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye, family. Hello guys, this is Maria and welcome again sa channel ko, and also welcome here in Croatia. Yes, we are here in Croatia for a week of holidays. Isn't it nice here? Look, the castle from the medieval. Our activity at the moment, walking. We're gonna go up there in that castle. You see those big rocks, all birds with this. Ang ganda! So from the view, this view. Okay. Can we have a picture, babe? But I don't actually know where. So it's a video. Paakyat na kami papunta sa castle ni Kai at Talia. It's really worth coming here. So from here, this is the view. You see, it's really medieval vibe. Uh-oh. So this is where the Game of Thrones, one of the castles that was used to shoot Game of Thrones. I think this is the castle of Daenerys. Yes. There are my family. Oh la la, breathtaking view. Kami kanina, doon ako nakahiga, and now that's another castle over there. Ang ganda, grabe. Hello guys, welcome again to my channel and welcome to Croatia. This is Maria, and guess what, nasaan ako ngayon? So guys, nandito ako sa Croatia in I still have difficulty of pronouncing the city. It's Dubrovnik. I hope I Dubrovnik. I think so, yeah. So ano lang, konting FYI, I'm standing here in the castle where Daenerys Game of Thrones scene was taken. Yeah, it's here. This is the castle. Yeah. So I'm also gonna take a quick video from inside. So I am at the very top na. This is where Daenerys usually nagpapalipad siya ng mga dragons niya. So ganda ng view. That's another castle also. Yeah. Apparently, parang may nagsiset up din dito. Parang merong ano. Oh, there's a cannon there. Up there. Hindi pala ito pinakatap. Meron pa yun, pinakatap. Yeah, may nagsiset up. Parang may mag-shooting uli. So here. Wow. I'm not sure, but I think these stones are ano pa, from medieval pa. This is a fireballs. So yan yung view niya, guys. Amazing, right? Nasa na yung pamilya ko? Akyat ako sa taas. I'm gonna find them. So oh my god, ang ganda. Yeah, is that cannon still original there? There will be a shooting, no? They are setting up. Wow. Huh? Excuse. That's the ceiling. Sino kaya ang mag-shooting dito, no? So. That's it.
What's the name of the movie? Okay.
Sa totoo lang, kinakabahan na ako. Uy! Oh my god. Ang taas kaya. It's beautiful.
It has nothing to do with Game of Thrones.
I mean, it has.